Look, you and the guy next door just got deliveries. This is what you got. Blurry. Huh? And where'd the package go? That's not very useful. While your neighbor is on Reolink, he wouldn't have that problem. Get the second generation Reolink Video Doorbell. Take that delivery for instance. Head-to-toe view with a single lens, even in strong light. Or at night.
Hello, please leave the package at the door.
Yep, quality is insane. But do I have to charge it all the time?
Don't worry, try up to 10 months on a single charge.
Honestly, I'd probably forget where the charger is anyways.
Right, you can hardwire it for continuous recording. Or just add a solar panel for continuous power.
Alright, one less thing to worry about.
Wonder who's there? You already know, just check the preview. And answer the door like it's a call.
Great for guests. But what about the uninvited ones?
For the uninvited guests, it knows when someone messes with it.
Hey, can I help you?
It also captures what happened before the alert. And yes, the connection is solid.
Total peace of mind.
Hey, dropping off your ladder.
Thanks, man.
Your footage stays yours.